Big boss man here to take care of the machine gun the machine gun sink.
Here comes Daddy.
You ready for me to turn it on?
Which way's up and down?
Up is up, down is down. This is a machine gun sink. This thing, for whatever reason, is just going bananas in here. Let's see. Tell me when.
Go ahead.
Machine gun. Are you gonna adjust it as it goes? Huh? Yeah. Turn it off. Yeah. You don't hear the A10 Warthog? What it reminds me of.